पढ़ी क्लास और ऑब्जेक्ट कॉन्सेप्ट में पढ़ी तो क्लास हमें डिस्कशन करते कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट which share the common structure and functionality is called as the classes. Okay, the combination of similar type of object which share the common structure and functionality is called as the class. And तापर हमें चलिए discuss करते method, the set of instruction which is used to do the specific task is called as a method. Okay, जेमती कि हमें देखिवा हमर मोबाइल ले गोटे ब्लूटूथ ऑप्शन अछि गोटे वाईफाई ऑप्शन अछि सो ब्लूटूथ वाईफाई ऑप्शन so these are the opportunities used for uniquely माने हमें जतरा ब्लूटूथ यूज करछे केवल ब्लूटूथ एनेबल्ड होछि वाईफाई जतरा यूज करछे वाईफाई टा एनेबल्ड होछि तो एटा होछि डिफरेंट ऑप्शन फॉर द स्पेसिफिक पर्पस में यूज करे जाउछि दैट इज नॉट द मेथड so method contain the set of instruction which is used to do the specific task. Now এই জিনিসটা আমরা ডিসকাস করছি object in object programming terminology data within an object represent its state. Suppose gote pillar jodi ame kahiba that the student is getting a 80%, so ame kahiba that the person is good, excellent student ame kahiba amara mobile ro battery jodi 20% pale asu so that means ame chinta kariba je it need to be what mane outre recharge kariya padibo. So from the value we coming to know that what the action we have to perform, so that is called the word the data within an object represent its state. कौन सी data जदि हमें रखुचे data रो तार object रो representation हमको जाना पड़ता है बुझेला पेट्रोल रो जो रेड जो अच्छी रेड मार्क को पढ़े से हमें जानिबा जे नहीं तेल सरी आछे हमको तेल पकेया पड़िबो. So that is called as the word indicator of data. Data is term as the what attribute. हमें जहाँ पाई information टा store करिवा ताको कहिवा हमें entity बोली कहिवा. So for whom you are storing the information is called as the for whom you are storing the information it is called as the entity. Okay, so for whom we are storing the information is called the entity. The entity is what? Entity. For whom the information will store is called entity. Okay. For whom the information is stored is called the entity. Entity. E-N-T-I-T-Y. Attribute is what? For entity, what are the information? What are the information as stored is called attribute. Suppose mo student रा गोटे information store करिवे the student है कौन student है entity स्टूडेंट रा जो इनफॉरमेशन रा वो स्टोर करिवे स्टूडेंट आईडी स्टूडेंट नेम contact number these are called as attribute these are called as attribute for whom we are storing the information is called as the entity and what are the information we are storing for the entity is called as the attribute. Okay, so write down it. Then comes to method. So what is method? So method is what? Method. The set of instruction which is used to do specific task is called method. It is used for unique purpose. It is used for unique purpose. Okay. The set of instruction which is used to do a specific task is called as the method and it is used for the unique purpose. Like you can say in a mobile phone, the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option. The Bluetooth and Wi-Fi option. So these are used for any purpose. Okay, so ये जो Bluetooth and Wi-Fi अच्छी, इटा हमारा unique purpose में use करेंगे. So it is also called as a method. Next is see that other property of the method. I just share the screen. Method have a behavior. It contains the code to implement the behavior. It contains the set of instruction and it is used to implement the behavior of the object. Object means suppose you have purchased a mobile phone. Okay, so for the mobile phone, what are the features are there? So the method is doing that one. So it is showing you implement the behavior of the object, means how your function is working. Okay, so that implement the behavior of the object. Next, an object is called as the instance of class. Suppose if it is a Java class, you are the instance of class or you are the part of the class. The object is called as the instance of class or part of the classes. So see that in this example, if student is a class, suppose here it is a Java class, you are the two students are present. So here student 1 and student 2 is called as the instance of class. Okay. So student 1 and 2 is called as the instance of class. Messages are used to communication between the object. Okay, I mean messages are used to communication between the object. Like ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗାଡି ଚଲାଉଥିବା ସେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହବ, ସପୋଜ ମତେ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଡିକୁ ଓଭରଟେକ୍ କରିବାର ଅଛି, ତ ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି, ମୋ ଲାଇଟ ଟାକୁ ଫ୍ଲାସିଂ କରିବି, ଫ୍ଲାଶ କଲେ ସେ କଣ କରିବ ନା ମତେ ରାସ୍ତା ଛାଡିବ, ହେଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିପର ମାରିବା, ସେ ଆମକୁ ରାସ୍ତା ଛାଡିବ ଯେ ଆମକୁ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ। ସେମିତି ଟ୍ରେନରେ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ହେଲେ ସେ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ପଛରେ ଦେଖିବ ରେଡ ବତି ଲାଗିଥାଏ। ଓକେ, ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଟ୍ରେନ ସେ ଷ୍ଟପ ହବ। ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟ୍ରାଫିକ ରେ ମୁଭ କରିବା ସେଠି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସିଗ୍ନାଲ ଥିବ, ରେଡ ସିଗ୍ନାଲ ଥିବ, okay, green signal thibo, yellow signal thibo. So red signal thile amu kon habo, now we have to stop there. Green signal thile kon asibo na ame move kariba, yellow signal thile kon habo na ready to stop and ready to move. A car is flashing the light to pass the message to the other car. A car is flashing the light to pass the message to the other car to move. The car is moving. Now, here's some question for you. Identify the possible states of the following object. One is MP3 player. Okay, another is mobile phone. The mobile phone में कौन-कौन state रहेगा? सिल्की?
EMI number,
कौन रहेगा?
states कौन रहिबो?
हाँ, mobile phone कौन-कौन state रहेगा?
मोबाइल फोन भी ब्रांड रही परिबो।
State means what? What is the state of a human? Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are in sorrow mood. Similarly, I ask you for the what are the state of the mobile phone?
Phone ringtone.
Ringing, then
phone vibrator mode. Silent mode.
तापरे silent vibration बुझियो छी। So these are the different state of the mobile phone. Similar way, for the MP3 player, ringing, MP3 player, play, pause, rewind, forward, these are the different state of this MP3 player. Now, consider another example. John went to a shopping mall to buy some clothes. The door of the shopping mall was automatic, which opened as soon as John stepped near it and closed as soon as John entered the mall. So identify the possible receiver of the message and the possible method the receiver can use. Okay, तो एटा होची गोटे सिनेरियो, ए सिनेरियो भितरे तमे देखो किए मेसेज टा को रिसीव करिवो आ से कोन वर्क परफॉर्म करिवो। देखो कौन आंसर को को सिल्की
there is a certain key or a certain kind of laser light, so that
the possible receiver of the message. So directly you can say when you coming to the door is automatically open. So who is listening? Door is listening. The door is using the different technology, that is other matter. But here, when you are entering the mall, the door is listening your voice and door is automatically open. And door is automatically closed. The possible method the receiver can use, that is open the door and close the door. So here, receiver of the message is your door, and the possible method the receiver can use is open the door and close the door. Next, what are the advantages of the object orientation? One advantages is what? Realistic modeling. Advantages of the object orientation. Advantages of object orientation. The first object orientation is realistic modeling. Realistic modeling is used to model the real world. It means what? Suppose if you want to create, if you want to plan for a get together between your friends, first of all you have to calculate what are the item you have to prepare. ମୁଁ କଣ item କରିବି? से आइटम हिसाब रे हम कोन करबी को डेस्टिनेशन में जीवा से हिसाब रे हम कोन करबा पर ईच पार्टिसिपेंट करो केते पैसा आसीबो सेटा हम डिफाइन करबा so that is actually called that is actually it is called as what like realistic model. So when a software company is assigned a project गोटे सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी को जेतरा हम गोटे प्रोजेक्ट असाइन करबा तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द डेवलपर टीम इज थिंकिंग फॉर दैट डेवलपर टीम चिंता करिवे माने से कस्टमर एक्चुअली रिक्वायरमेंट है कोन प्रथम रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस करके रिक्वायरमेंट को गैदर करिवे तापरे से माने सजेस्ट करिवे जे को सॉफ्टवेयर ता मते बनेवार अछि the first step is called the realistic modeling in the realistic modeling you have to gather the information from the user बा customer requirement ता को gather करिवाटा होची realistic modeling next होची कोन reusability it allow to reuse the existing class or object reusability it means what when you purchase the mobile हमें इतना मोबाइल टा किनुचे मोबाइल किनला परे ता ऊपर गोटे स्क्रीन गार्ड लगाउछे ता पर गोटे बैक कवर गोटे लगाउछे तो स्क्रीन गार्ड बैक कवर कला परे हमर मोबाइल फोन ना वर्जन चेंज हे जाय it gives the better look and feel for the मोबाइल ला बेटर लुक एंड फील पे हमें यूज करते रियूजेबिलिटी कंसेप्ट इट अलाउ टू रीयूज द एक्जिस्टिंग क्लास एंड ऑब्जेक्ट तो व्हिच इट इज यूज्ड टू मेक यू बेटर लुक एंड फील दैट इज द रियूजेबिलिटी कंसेप्ट